Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss different types of logic gates. First, we are going to discuss the basic logic gates. There are three different types: OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. Basically, gate is a digital circuit which can be designed with the semiconductor devices like diodes. Now, let us first understand one by one OR gate. For an easy understanding, I made it as a table. Eventually, you can understand it better. Now, an OR gate has two or more inputs. That means it has minimum two or more inputs and only one output. Only one output. And these gates are studied with certain symbols and their function is discussed through truth table. So, we will see one after the other. Then, what is the symbol? This symbol is, so these are inputs A and B, two inputs A and B, and only one input Y. Only one input Y. Now, what is the logical relationship? I told you that the gates have a decision making process which is called logic, and we'll see the logical relationship between input and output through this. The output Y, so output Y is low when all inputs are low. When all inputs means both A and B are low, then output is low. Now that we will see in the truth table. Then output Y is high if any or all inputs are high. Low means always 0, high means always 1s in terms of binary digits. So, Y is high if any one of them, that means either A or B, or all inputs, that means both A and B are high. The algebra which is used to symbolically describe basic functions is called Boolean algebra. In terms of that, let us write what is the Boolean expression for this input, output Y. So, Y is A plus B. So, here plus is OR function. Plus represents the logic, plus sign represents the logic function OR. So, Boolean expression is A plus B. Now, what is this logic operation here? Addition. Logic operation is addition. Truth table. Now, let us see truth table. Now, we have inputs. So, this is input and this is output. So, A is 0, B is 0. So, both of them are 0. Then, output Y is 0 plus 0, that is 0. This is 0 plus 0. Then, input A is 0, B is 1. Either of them is low, then this is 1. So, OR. So, 0 plus 1. So, you have high. Look at this. Output Y is high if any or all inputs are high. Even if 1 is high, output is high. Therefore, here 0, 1. So, B is high, therefore, your output is high. Then, similarly, now A is high, B is low, that is 1, 0. So, you have 1 again. So, 1 plus 0. Then, 1, 1. Both of them are high. So, you have high. So, 1 plus 1. And in binary system, 1 plus 1 is not 2, but it is 1. So, this is what it is. So, this is the truth table. Now, examples when we look at in our day-to-day life. For example, you have airbags in cars or doorbells. So, airbags, for example, you have different sensors which sense if the car meets with an accident. That means there is a collision. So, if any sensor senses the collision, it need not be all the sensors. For example, there are two sensors. So, one sensor senses the collision, then the airbag opens. So, that is high. So, that is example for OR gate. Again, doorbell. From inside or outside. So, you can switch that on, then doorbell becomes on or off depending on that. Then we will see AND gate. Again, 2 or more inputs. You have inputs 2 or more. Then only one output you will have. So we can see that. Now in the OR gate, the symbol, you have a circular, curved path. Here you have a curved path. But here, so how to draw that? Let's see how to draw this. So like this. So this is what it is. So this is how you will draw. Now for example, for this one you will draw a line and this will be like this. So this is your inputs and input and output. Look at this. So you have inputs A and B, output Y. So here you have a line, here you have a curved surface there, here you have a line here. So that is what is the difference. Now what is the logic relationship in AND gate? Y is low, output is low if any or all inputs are low. If any of them or all of them, that means either A or B or both A and B, if they are low, then Y is low, output is low. Then Y is high, output is high, that is 1, when all inputs are high. When all inputs, both A and B should be 1, then you will have. So that we will see in the truth table. Now what is the Boolean expression? A dot B, it should be read as A dot B is equal to Y. Here dot is the sign, here plus is the sign for this one, or and here dot is the sign for this one here in the AND gate. And what is the logic operation? Multiplication. Multiplication is the logic operation. Now let us see the truth table. A, B are inputs, Y is output. So if A, B both of them are 0, then obviously Y is 0. Then if A is 0, B is 1, so the logical operation is multiplication, therefore A dot B, so this becomes 0. That means either of them is low, then you have low, so or both of them. So 1, 0, then you have 0, and both of them 1, you have 1. Both of them 1, you have 1. So this is the truth table. Then examples, when we look at examples like two-wheelers, Activa or Scooty for example, where you know that you have to hold your brake on the left side and you have to press your self-start button. Both together only the engine will start, otherwise it won't. So there it is an AND operation taking place. Similarly, for security purposes we use alarms, so that is called burglar alarm. So this is also another example. Then we will see the NOT gate, which is more simpler than the other two. It has only one input, it has only one input and it has only one output, and it is denoted with this symbol triangle like this, and it is the A is the input, Y is the output. Now there is one circle, small circle, I will call this as bubble, and that represents the inversion. That represents the inversion. Now what is this NOT means? If A is high, that means if Y is high or Y is low, if input is high, that means if A is high 1, then output is 0. If A is low, that is input is low, then output is high. That means it is just the opposite. So Y is high if input is low, which means what? Output is opposite to that of the input. If A is 1, Y is 0. If A is 0, Y is 1. So you have this. Because this is just opposite, you call it as inversion operation. Operation here is inversion, and you represent that as A bar. Bar represents opposite to that. So Y is equal to A bar. Therefore, this NOT operator once again sometimes is also called as inverter. Inverter. NOT operator is also called as inverter because of inversion operation. Now, truth table, for this it is very simple. Because there is only one input, so if A is 0, output is opposite, so 1. If A is 1, output is 0. Low, high, high, low. Examples: solar street light. For example, you see during the daytime, in a street light, if it is a solar street light, during the daytime you have sunlight. You have sunlight falling on that, therefore the light will be off. So, input is there, solar light, sunlight. Output is what? The street light, it is off. So, input is high, output is low. Now, during the night, there is no solar light. That means there is no sunlight. That means no input, and then the street light will switch on. So, light will glow. So, it is high. So, that is the best example to understand NOT gate. Similarly, temperature detector. For example, when you set a particular temperature, let us say 20 degrees centigrade, and beyond that it is off, otherwise it is on, something like that. So, these are certain examples. Now, using these basic gates, we have combination gates. There are few more, but I am concentrating only on two major combination gates, NAND gate and NOR gate. NAND is AND followed by NOT, AND gate followed by NOT. NOR is OR gate followed by NOT. So, NAND means what? The operation of AND gate taking what operation? NOT operation. Similarly, OR gate taking NOT operation. Now, let us see. Output of AND gate is connected to the input of NOT gate. So, AND followed by NOT. Now, let us see that in this symbol. Now, we know that this is AND gate. Now, Y dash is the output of this AND gate with inputs A and B. Now, this Y dash of AND gate, output of AND gate, is given as input to the NOT gate. So, this is input. So, Y dash is output of AND, and it is also as given as input to NOT. So, the output of NOT gate is Y. So, when I combine this, you can draw the symbol like this. So, you have two inputs A and B, and because it is AND gate followed by NOT, I have this straight line like this. That means the AND gate symbol, and you have a bubble here. So, bubble is because it is followed by NOT gate. So, A and B are inputs, Y is the output of NAND gate. NAND gate. Now, what is the logical relationship? Output Y is always high. Output Y is always high except when all of the inputs are high. That means when both A and B are high, then your NAND gate output will be low. We will see that. Then what is a Boolean expression? Now, Y dash, what is Y dash? Output of AND. Now, for AND gate, what is the Boolean expression? A dot B. So, Y dash is A dot B. Now, Y is the output of NAND gate, and that is opposite to Y dash. So, opposite of Y dash means A dot B dash. A dot B dash. So, that is your inversion operation of this A dot B. So, A dot B dash, that is Boolean expression. Now, let us see what is the logic operation. Multiplication, because it is AND gate, multiplication followed by inversion because of NOT gate. So, multiplication followed by inversion. Now, let us see the truth table. Truth table is very simple. The first part is AND gate and then the NOT gate. So, you have AND gate A0, B0, AND gate A dot B. So Y dash is the output of AND gate which we have represented. So that is 0. Then if 1, 0 are the inputs A and B, then also it is 0. Or 0 or 1, it is 0. 1, 1, then it is 1. So this, so far it is exactly same as we have discussed in AND gate. Now this is now the input to your NOT gate. So now when 0, then it is followed by the output of NAND gate is the output of Y, Y dash. So this is Y. So this is Y. So Y dash is 0. So Y is 1. Y dash is 0. Y is 1. Y dash is 0. Y is 1. Y dash is 1. Then it is opposite. So 0. So let us see, this output Y is always high except when all of the inputs are high. Look at this case. All of the inputs are high, then you have 0. Otherwise, in all other cases, then either of them is low. So you have output of NAND gate is always high. So this is what it is. Now let us see similar direction, the NOR gate. NOR is OR followed by NOT. That means OR and NOT behavior together. So output of OR gate is connected to input of NOT gate. So OR gate output. Now let us first look at the symbol for OR gate. So this is your OR gate, and output of OR gate is Y dash, which is the input for the NOT gate, and this is your NOT gate. Then the output of NOR gate is Y. So the same symbol I can represent just like what we have done in the NAND case. So this is the OR symbol and inverter. So you have a bubble here. So this becomes the NOR gate symbol. NOR gate symbol. So A and B are inputs. Y is the output of NOR gate. Whereas A and B are inputs. Y dash is output of OR gate, which becomes the input of NOT gate, and therefore Y is the output of NOR gate. Now, what is the logical relationship? Output Y is high only when both the inputs are low. Output Y is high only when both the inputs are low. So, let us see. Now, what is the relationship? Now, what is Y dash? Because it is OR gate, the Y dash, the Boolean expression will be A plus B. Now, because of the NOT operation, what will be Y equal to A plus B bar. So, A plus B bar or A plus B dash, you can say. A plus B bar usually we say. Then, what is the operation that you have? Addition followed by inversion. So, because of OR gate you have addition, and because of NOT gate you have inversion. So, addition followed by inversion. Now, let us see the truth table. For OR gate, truth table is similar. So, these are inputs A and B. So, 0, 0. OR gate output is Y dash. So, Y dash will be 0. And if this is A is 0, A is 1, B is 0, then it is 1. Either of them is high, then it will be high. So, either of them is high, so this is high, therefore it will be high. And both of them are high, it will be high. So, this is about OR gate. Now, it is followed by NOT gate. So, this becomes the input. So, this Y dash becomes the input to NOT gate. So, what will be the output now? Y is equal to opposite to this. So, if this is 0, then you have 1. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. I will now solve some problems which most frequently asked in board exams or JEE mains or NEET in my next video. Until then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.